Hello everyone, in this video how to hide text in Google Docs. Google Docs does not have a direct option called hide text, but we can make the text invisible. Voice practically works as hidden text. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Docs document, then select your text, select all text, press Ctrl A or use only selected text. Example, select secret code. Go to text font color and select as background color white. Click anywhere. That's it. Apply the same process for another text. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.